What is good, my boys? Beautiful day, beautiful day. All right. Let's head over to NQ. See what's popping over with that. Full screen this thing. Go ahead and check out the 4-hour chart. All right, we're in business. So we're definitely above. All right, we're in business. So we're definitely above. Fuck. Shit. All right, this is where I gotta be careful because now we've closed above the daily gap. All right. I was heavily bearish. However, we got the order block. This weekly candle has not closed yet. So this wick could be doing a lot of damage, but fact that we're closing above this daily fair value gap, but I did mark out the order block, so gotta keep that in mind. Still bearish. Let's go ahead and walk through the annotations. So this is the order block highs. This line represents that order block that we're staying pretty near, but let's go ahead and mark out London session. So from 7 this candle right here from 7 to midnight. The midnight's not really going to tell me anything because we're just chopping above it and below it. Usually on a bearish day, I want to see us trade above midnight and then push lower, and on bullish, the opposite, you know, go below it. So it looks like that wick had created a lot of equal highs right there. We took them out once, took them out a second time. I want to see how ES looks compared to that, but we'll get to that. Next I'm going to mark out London highs. Do 510 right here. Just got taken out. High of this candle is 181.9900. 181.9900. London, get the London low. So I'm not going to mark London low because when we get to 7 o'clock over here, I personally don't use that as London. So I'm not going to mark London low because that's a 7 o'clock over here. Just chop so far. Let's check out ES. Hop over to the 5-minute. Delete this. Delete whatever this is. $7 p.m. to 12. Divergence. Was that in a fair value gap? It was. Same kind of setup as yesterday. Right. Same type of setup. No news today.
She'll catch up on the AR, how you did that? She'll catch up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you.
Let's have a good trade today. There really haven't been any setups. Let's break this down. Let's hide these drawings. And let's just look at this bear chart right here. Came down. What point do we fall? When we come up here? That long setup was a good setup right there. I don't know about y'all, but I'm ready for some good setups to form. And this is where I have my problem, where I'm only searching for bearish prices right now. I like what I'm seeing right here, though. Because I know Dow didn't make the... I guess it did. I need Trade to answer me. I don't know when they'll get back to me. Trade support. There's a live chat. Trade live chat. In-app. Okay. Well, that didn't fucking help at all. So. Oh, man. I just want them to read my email, bro. Let's try it again, I guess. Probably shouldn't show this. Oh my god. Alright, let's break this down, okay? Let's see any reversal point. I'm not going long above this fucking... So if we pull up here, that'll turn to OTE. Create all those equal highs. I don't want to go that high. We're going to play this inversion. I want to see us break through this. Let me turn my fan on, bruh. All right. That's what it comes down to. Every single day, whether you want to or not, you got to put in the work. Got to be able to sit here. Four minutes till market open. So we opened up, took Asia, took London. ES did not take London. Could have a return into OTE right here. I would not fucking believe if we pushed higher. Like, I really wouldn't believe it. Like, not even a pullback. See dollar. Hmm. I like this setup for lower prices, honestly. Let's see YM. Whoa, that's not YM. The fuck? Yeah, YM's not taking that high out. Looking very bearish. Looking very bearish. So here's what I'm waiting for. When market opens, I'm waiting for a move down, wait for a range to be established, pull into OTE, and then I'll go lower from there. Yeah, see, YM didn't make that higher high. And you fucking short that weaker one. I'm watching this inversion right here. Heavy bearish day. This might be the day that everything gets taken. YM is weird. You know. 740. I used to think I was missing out with moves like this. It's like, how could I have gotten into that? Now I know. trust that. I don't trust that one bit, bro. I'm sitting here tired by myself. I gotta start remembering why I'm doing this. Am I doing this to get noticed by other people? Am I doing this Am I doing this because I'm bored? Or am I doing this because this is what I want to do with my life? I want to do this trading. I want to make this work. Doing this to document, hold myself accountable to rules. See if this fair value gap gets respected. This is the high of the day. I would not be surprised if this becomes the high of the day right here at 9:32. Looking above midnight. Judah swing up. Take my entry on this inversion if we return to it. Before I take this trade, did we take out liquidity, or do you just think that's the top? We did. Okay. So liquidity's been taken? This would be an amazing trade setup right here if we run all of these lows. That market structure shift. Come back to this inversion, which will put us at OTE of this range right here. So while I want to enter right now, I've entered prematurely. So that's why I wait for a close below here, for that reason. For that exact reason. Came up, took that high one more time. Yeah, I would love this entry right here. I feel like we're about to break through this inversion. But this is a test in patience, so swept these highs. Yeah. I'm waiting for the OTE retest of the inversion. And if I miss the move, then I miss the move, but practicing good habits right now. Too many times have I tried to jump the gun. So now we close below, return to it. That would have been a good entry right there. But I'm going to wait. I want the market structure shift. Let's see how that would look on the 5-minute. That's pretty deep, actually. I've noticed that waiting for a return to a discounted price has saved me a lot of headache from FOMOing into moves. Even though I really like how we're reacting to this inversion, I'm going to wait. It's testing me. It keeps giving me opportunities to get in, but I'm gonna be patient. And maybe I missed a move, and maybe I'm starting to hesitate more than I should trading. So, but this is why I'm recording everything, so I can go back and I can say, hey, dude, everything lined up for you right there, and you didn't pull the trigger. And I'll work on it. So, but I'll wait. See if we close below it on the 4-minute. No, see, we're just respecting it. which is why I feel comfortable waiting for us to close below the 4-minute, return to OTE. Just preserve that capital is the key. It's kind of weird. Like I've I've never been in this mindset before of just like waiting. It's always been, you're gonna miss a trade, you're gonna miss a trade, you're gonna miss a trade. And I would be sitting through drawdown right now. So see how we respect consequent encroachment of this wick right here. Pushed above. We'll tapped it, yeah. Body's respecting 50% of it. As we push down. As we return to OT of this range, we'll wait. I don't trust this range at all. Yes, this is technically what I was looking for. Take out those lows. And then return to OTE, which is what we're doing. I do not like fun. I do not like equal highs. So, like Shark Tank, for those reasons, I am out. I'm not staying in this trade. You know what? I can't even hear the music that my stream is playing. So let's connect AirPods. Still can't hear it. Wonder why. Oh, there we go. Let's get some good music. Joe Williamson, another day. You know what I'm saying? It's out here. Trade of 8 literally is locking all of my funds and stuff. So I had to call support this morning and he told me to send an email to him. I'm just trying to get my money in trade, bruh. This is exactly what I said I was looking for. Pull into OT of this range and expect this inversion. I just equal highs like this. I'm not a big fan. Let's look at dollar is plummeting right now. Left equal lows. So I'm in a situation right now where NQ has equal highs, dollar has equal lows. There's no way I'm shorting right now. Even though I'll look back and that's exactly what I wanted right there. But sometimes you just gotta know what you're comfortable taking a trade on and what you're not. So there it goes. I'm fine missing out. I'll journal this. Maybe I hesitated too much. Maybe I'm starting to overthink, but literally exactly what I drew out. Take these equal lows, return to OTE, and respect this inversion. I'm going to go back and I'm going to clip that. But yeah, it's unfortunate right there. Unfortunate that I'm starting to hesitate too much. Been yeah, the only thing I can think is if we return to this fair value gap right here, but even still, that's such a bad entry compared to where I wanted to take. I'm gonna write it down though. Equal lows on dollar, equal highs on NQ. I'd rather skip the trade than, because if I get stopped out on that, then I'd be pretty upset with myself. This is where I got to look at my my note sheet. If the trade is not repeatable long term, we will not do it this one time. So if I start shorting with equal highs and on NQ, that's just a recipe for disaster, in my opinion. Dude, my video is not getting any views. Yeah. $9.31. Oh, and you would have had your stop up here. So you'd still probably be in the trade. I was looking at this minute right here to see if I was going to enter, but... Oh, you short. You got stopped out. Yeah, I'm so overly bearish right now, and that's something that I got to journal because we did close above this fair value gap, way above that I've been looking at. But I'm also playing this order block right here. But I have a problem where when I get stuck in a bias, like when I have a bias, dude, I'll hold on to that even if the market goes 500 points the opposite way. I'll still continue to hold that bias. And it looks like we are going to fall off this morning. I'm definitely sitting here hesitating too much. See any hesitate. So these lows, we just pulled into another hour. ES pulled into the hour. This is where I want to chase price extremely bad. If we return to this fair value gap right here, I'm gonna go in. Be really upset with myself if I chase price. See, we're not displacing though in this hour or under these lows. We're holding up in the hour fair value gap after taking lows. It's just that my bias is so bearish. If we close above this fair value gap, I'm gonna go long. This is one of those days if we return to it, because we did just take equal lows in a higher time frame PD array. Yeah, it could reverse. That's what I'm saying. It's 50-50. And now that I speak that out into words, I'm actually going to stay out. Because it could go either way. I've seen days like this where I've been overly bearish. And every time we go 20 points low, I think that was the displacement lower. And I try and jump in over and over and over. So, you know, if we do go lower, so be it. If we go higher, so be it. We're clearly overall bullish right now. So, breaking bad habits. That's what I'm doing. Yeah, I was looking at the 15 and the hour. It's in the hour fair value gap also. So. Hello? I don't see the SMT on the low. I saw the one that started that move up right here. I would have loved to get into that entry. That's my favorite entry. Higher time frame PD Ray, taking out all this sell side. SMT. If this thing pulled into OTE right here, dude, that's literally my A plus. Yeah, right into OTE. I would have loved at 8:30. Money right there. Which is why I'm waiting right now, because there's not an A plus for me. Except for the fact that I said I want to see these lows get taken, create OTE right here, return to this inversion. But I hesitated. Once you hesitate, you kill it. So this music is terrible. Not gonna cap to you. Copyright free. These songs are terrible. Alright, Lofi, you got it. Gasoline, bro. Isn't that the question? I was overly bearish until we created these equal highs. Market's looking pretty bearish right now. I mean, I like that we finally, this was the SMT. This was the SMT that I was looking at yesterday that we finally took out. Like when we were staying below this high that ES took out, I was overly bearish. We finally took it out, so there's no SMT, but that makes me think we're still bearish. I don't like how we took out these lows right here and didn't displace. Like when you see it close above like that. Oh yeah, these are the equal lows you were talking about. Yeah. I've been in days like this so many times, and it's like 50-50 for me. Like when it could go either way like this, and I'm sure someone else has a better bias than me and reasons. I just don't see it right now. We can go either way, and so just like they say in Shark Tank, for those reasons, I'm out. Like I'm just gonna stay out. I'm not gonna build gambling habits just to press the button and feel good. We are respecting this 1 minute. I don't know, maybe it's like the accumulation week of the month. Meaning like all week we're just gonna slowly grind a little bit and then fizzle out, chop, chop, chop. And then get the big daily swingers like next week. Yeah, old me would have chased price in this minute gap, and I would have taken like 2 trades already. especially on prop firms. That's how I usually trade, because it's not my money, so I just sling around an insane amount of contracts. Trade of 8. Please answer my email. How much is the leverage? I don't know. I'm starting an account with $450 and then trading the micros. So you have to have at least 250 in the account, and it's just like, I don't know about leverage, but each point is $2. So, dude, yeah, Thursday and Friday, I think, are the only days with news. Yeah, Thursday, Friday, with red news. I looked at the calendar on these Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and I was like, I shouldn't even be looking at the charts. But problem with me is I feel like if I'm not looking at the charts or taking a trade, I'm not working hard enough, which really isn't the case. Like, walking away and not pressing the button is as beneficial. So, you know. It's my life, man. I just love trading, you know. Yeah, when I started a November 2022, when I didn't know what the hell I was doing trading, I had a $500 account and I was slinging around like 8 micro contracts, and I would go up like $40, immediately cancel the trade, put another 8 contracts in. So price has just been straight up. Oh yeah. Yeah, open, high, low, close. I kind of think about that with even like inner, I don't even know the word. Like, if this was the hour candle, I don't even know how to explain what I wanted to explain. But yeah, I know what you're talking about. That candle would like make the wick up, and then we push down, make that body, that nice big run down. I won't be able to participate though, because these dudes won't answer my email. So, but this might be like yesterday where I waited around until like 11:50 or 11 o'clock, and we sat in this range, dude. That's why I did not want to chase price. When I saw that we freaking wicked down below these lows and did not want to displace. Yeah. Yo, what's crazy is I had watched ICT like all of his videos, and really didn't understand. Like, I kind of understood the concept of power of three, but I never like said the words power of three. And then I watched the Words of Wisdom podcast with like Omar and Ali Khan, ICT, and JCap, and they were like, "What's the best thing about ICT?" And he's like, "Power of three is all I trade." Yeah, I I was watching that in version too. So you take the inversion when it closes above. Like Dodgy. I think his name's Dodgy. It's a powerful little strategy when you're trading like the inner range liquidity. Target that high right there. I personally like if you trade the close, you gotta back test these setups. Yeah. Well, really, I have conviction in my setups. It's just that when we're sitting in something like this, when I wanted to take this trade right here, I could have totally seen us just. I personally don't want to take the trade from here to here because we already took out the lows. So I wanted to see expansion, and when we just, I think I'm still thinking about yesterday where we literally just sat here and bounced around. But this is kind of like that dodgy trade right here where we close and we immediately go and take out the low. It's just that a big candle like that, if you get a fill down here, you need to target these lows. I like taking inner range liquidity and targeting external range liquidity. So just like we came up and took that hourly high, I like targeting like all of these stack. This trade right here is literally my A plus. I'm about to make a video on it just because I'm kind of enjoying just making YouTube videos and talking about trading and stuff. But I took that once we reached consequent encroachment, but then we just chopped. That's what I'm saying. It's something about the fact that there's just no news. I mean, if we come up into this range right here and we reject again without taking any of these highs out, I'm probably not gonna sit around too much longer because we'll have equal highs, means we're eventually gonna return up there, and before we get there we'll just fizzle out here. So eight views, bro. What's going on, man? I need to make another one. Another little day in the life. Yeah, see, this is what I don't want to see. Yeah, I don't know. I drew those I drew that out when I started the stream. I was watching it. I don't know if I said search and destroy, but that's what I was thinking. I saw this get taken out, this taken out, which is what made me notice that ES never took out London lows, which made that SMT to propel us up. So If we come below this gap right here, I'm gonna call it a day. Come back and watch PM session, but I already had a whole day yesterday of constant chop, so. Yeah, I'm just not a fan of getting in shorts with all these stacked. What do you mean it wasn't on the charts? What does that mean? I wasn't even looking at oh, you weren't on the charts? Yeah, same. I didn't get up until or I didn't get to my computer until like 8:50, 8:55. Yeah, so I would expect us to just do nothing. I can totally see ES coming down to finally take London. But I won't be taking part of that with these highs right here. So another day. You know, it sucks because I don't want to come on here and just freaking paper trade, but TradeAbate's locking my my funds for now. So I'll update y'all tomorrow. If y'all want to go check out the vid, I mean, it only has 8 views. I don't know if it's shadow banned or what, but posted a new YouTube video. I might try and film another one today. But yeah, I appreciate y'all being in here. Give me a little company while I sit in the chopped market. If y'all continue to trade, hope y'all make some money. You know, stick to the plans. Yeah, I have a past combine on Top Step. I just haven't activated it yet because I just wanted to get a break. Because dude, I'm telling you, if I was trading on a funded account, I would have taken 3 trades already today with like 2 contracts each. Yeah. I've paid too much in activation fees. I just need to stop the constant paying the Top Step. But once I get my mind right and I really stick to my strategy and stick to my rules, then you best believe I'm going hard on the prop firms. Jaceline, bro, keep trying, dude. I remember it took me about 5 months past my first one. And then after that, they just started rolling in. But what I'll tell you, dude, is once you pass it, do everything in your power to keep it. And what I mean is, instead of thinking about trying to make money from that, which I know it's going to be hard, just think about keeping that account, because it sucks to finally get that funded, and then you're trading like you're trying to pass the eval, and you're trying to make 50% in a day. Slow. Even if it's like a 50K, do 1 micro. Just keep it. So it looks like that short's playing, but I said this yesterday when I saw this, when I was about to get off. I said, yeah, we're probably going to slow grind down. Yeah, dude, never, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. Never give up, man. I remember before I had passed my first one, I was like, there's literally no way. And then when I finally passed it, I lost it. Like it took me 5 months and I lost it, and I felt defeated. And then finally got the payout, and it was all worth it. I already spent too much time learning. That's what I'm saying. If you quit now, it'll all be for nothing. Something I always think about is if you don't give up, like there's a chance, right? There is physically no possible chance that you can make this trading thing work if you quit, right? So keep grinding. I wish you guys all the best of luck, and appreciate y'all stopping in here, and maybe see y'all tomorrow, maybe the next day, and yeah, hope y'all